Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be speaking about the order block strategy. Now currently I'm running almost 1% in a phase 1 account. This is a new account that I purchased. If I just show you guys just one moment, this is just for I'll be using for demonstration purposes, but if you look here guys, this is already a funded account that I've already got. This is the one I passed phase 1 or phase 2 on YouTube, so you can check out those videos. And with I also have another 200k funded account. I just bought another one, prop firm account, just to pass with you guys again in a live trade right now, running up 1% profit. I am looking for about 1 to 5% profit TP level, so just waiting on that trade. But okay, without wasting any time guys, let's just go straight into it. And just one moment, if I just bring it up. Okay, put this to the side here. So the order block strategy, now this is due to heavy demand, bringing the strategy back, because we get a lot of comments on social media and also in the YouTube videos, just to make another demonstration video for entries and drawing the correct order blocks levels. So there's two ways to go about it guys. One is you can use indicators. If you just click on the indicator tabs here, I don't know, I just clicked on it like 4 or 5 times, I don't know why. Just type in order blocks here and it'll just bring up one of these. If I just remove it, so, or the manual way of drawing this would be, an order block guys is basically, if I go on a bit of a bigger time frame, so you can see, just get rid of this so you can see clearly. I want to keep this video nice, short and simple, but if I just let's keep it simple. On the 1 hour time frame is not really showing any order blocks, but the order blocks on bigger time frames, it's going to be a lot more, have a lot more authority. Okay, basically the way you draw order blocks guys is wherever you see sharp moves, like look at this huge momentum candles. If I just change this cursor here so it's easy for you guys to see, huge bullish candle here, price just keeps going. And the opposite candle before that, I'm going to speak again like I mentioned in all my videos, like I'm talking to 5-year-olds, just simple. I'm not calling anyone 5-year-old watching this. I'm just, the more simple it is for you guys, the better it is to understand. So you have this huge move here, so the previous order block would be the one, the opposite candle, which is in this case is this one. That's where you have, the indicator already drawn this green rectangle here. So this is the order block. Now if I draw this, if I just do this, if I put my own there, we go on a bigger time frame. Okay, so the order block is this here, this doji candle here. I mean, you even have an order block on this 1 hour time frame, but for demonstration purposes just going to use the 15 minute time frame, sorry. Okay, so order block created, price comes up, now it comes back down, but if you notice it breaks this one, but it bounces off this one. So now next you might be asking, well, how do I know if an order block is the correct one? Like, will it hold? Well, what I like to do is, you have this candle here and you have this order block here. Now if you look at this 15-minute candle that was formed here, look at this rejection wick. Let me just zoom in for you guys. You have this rejection wick here, and then look at this, 2 more rejections. So now this is a sign that price does not want to stay at this level. So if we draw this level, if we if we round the numbers up, so I would say around the 200 mark. And look at that guys, price closed below this key level here. The other 2 rejection wicks touched that level, which means price, the candles are closing below this key level. This order block is not going to hold. Look at this one here. If I draw the same psychological key line, the number I would say would be about 400. Look previously as well, candles closed above the key level. Again, key level, rejection wicks below the line, rejection wick here. So you could have just taken an entry, or if you just break the time frame down even more, look at this, perfect hammer candle, no wick at the top, so that's a strong bullish signal. If I just grab that and just put this back, you can take a buy of this below this wick here, or the psychological key level. This would have give you, if you would have held almost all the way, a 5.5 trade, 5.5% trade on a 100k account. That's 5.5 grand. And if you look at the time span, within about 2 days and 12 hours, not bad. 2 days work, almost 3 days work, 5 grand within a week, less than a week. Happy days. So that's one way you can confirm order blocks, right? Another way I normally use is footprint charts, but you know, that'll be that's for another day, another video. So if we was to, okay, like we got more order blocks here created, right? Now if we let price keep going, small moments. Oh, for a second I thought I was in playback. I'm not in playback, this is actually live. So price, you know, create an order block here, price was bullish. Now it has broken the order block here, so this is not valid for us anymore. Now if we look, the next order block is here again. So if it's held in the past and we're in a bullish trend, there's a high chance it can hold again. But if you move up in the time frames, right, okay, check this out guys, a bearish order block, right? You know, price is up in this level, it might just come up and come all the way down. Now me personally, I don't think he'll do that, because I've got my own strategy going on. It may do that, right? It might just touch this area, just come back down. It might do that, and I might lose the trade, the one I'm currently in. How much are we running up? See? So, you know, there's a chance it could do. But if I lose the trade for the day, I'll come back tomorrow. No big deal, right? As long as you know, remember guys, especially with prop firms, 1% risk for the day, one trading instrument for the day, one trading session for the day, one, you know, trade for the day, and one strategy. That's it. 5 ones, you know, apply those 5 ones, and even if you don't know what you're doing, you should see some kind of success. Just apply these 5 rules, and you know, they'll take you a long way. They'll definitely set you in the right direction. So I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, take care guys, subscribe if you haven't, and I'm out.